kind of see explore what's, especially levels. Think about levels, below, above, like textures, if things are hot or cold or wet or dry. Really think about all that as you're working. You're doing great, the both of you. Yeah. Now, keep doing it. Just listen to my voice. You don't have to look at me. You're going to keep doing it. You can actually repeat what you just did if you want. But now you're going to take glances at the other actor so that you know what they have established, so that you don't accidentally go through anything. So you can repeat glances and, take glances and, just so you could see what's been established. Yeah. And when you're ready, don't rush. When you're ready, stay in character. True, you're doing great. When you're ready, just you could begin to add dialogue, not forgetting you still could do your activities.
Did you need fish sticks yet?
Not yet.
Okay. How about a chicken?
No.
My bad. You forget how cold it is in a freezer. You want to maybe trade roles? Maybe I'll work the fryer for a second, and you come and work the meat and such.
I'm doing the dishes.
That's what I meant.
I'm all wet. If I go in there, my clothes will freeze. So no.
Okay. It's really cold in here.
You could go over to her, True. You could go over to her. Go over to her. Yeah, talk.
It's really cold. And, if your clothes are going to freeze, I'm already freezing, all right? My skin is getting, I should have worn more clothes today.
She didn't.
God, you're right.
Explore that she's always right, True. She's always right.
Kangaroos can't hop backwards. See you tonight.
Tonight?
No, that's not, no. Yes, that thing we had planned.
Freeze. So everything you established, stay straight forward, look at each other, stay in character. Everything you established is going to stay the same. Everything. You've got your characters. You're not going to add anything new. Perfect. What's going to happen, stay in character, keep looking where you're looking. That's okay. Louis is going to give you a duet, a ballad number. And True, that feeling you just had, where you just were trying to come out with something, you're going to use that talking rhythm, take the melody. All you're going to do is listen, Bree. I'll let you know when to respond. You're just going to listen. You're still in a space. But he's going to sort of use this duet. You can keep washing. Keep washing the dishes. You can. Bree, keep washing. Keep washing dishes as you listen.
Anyway, I'll just go back now.
Good.
Over here.
Good. Let her respond. Go back in there and work. Take all the time, Bree.
So if you say you'll do that thing I said, maybe we could do that for tonight.
I don't know. I might be busy, but I will take it into consideration.
Back to dialogue. Back to dialogue.
Yeah, that's okay. Good. I'll see you later then. Maybe. I'll be over here still.
By the way, I didn't know that kangaroos couldn't hop backwards.
Blackout.